ना, माय उस्ताद जी वाज वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट, ही नेवर थॉट कि भाई लड़की है तो रहम कर लो। उंगलियों पे छाले हो जाने बहुत बुरी तरह, कभी कभी छालों से खून भी आने लग जाना। गोइंग टू एन इंटरनेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म लाइक टेड एक्स वाज अ बिग डील टू मी। Hello everyone, my name is Jahangeet Singh and thank you for joining us. So I'll be happy to share my journey आप सबके साथ कि मेरा जहांगीत एक आम सी लड़की से जहांगीत द ढोल प्लेयर का सफर कैसा रहा। This instrument is so vibrant, so loud and it makes everyone dance to its beat. So ਇੱਕ ਢੋਲ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜੀ ਹੋਈ ਕਹਾਵਤ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਢੋਲ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹਾ ਸਾਜ਼ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੁਰਦਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਨੱਚਣ ਲਾ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਇਸ ਲਈ ਇੰਨਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਸੀਗਾ ਢੋਲ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ, ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਸੋਚਿਆ ਕਿ मैं क्यों नहीं सीख सकती। तो वहाँ से एक थॉट आई कि why don't I pursue this instrument and learn this instrument, but I was young enough to not know that girls were not supposed to learn this male dominant instrument, but then here I am. I must say the beginning was not at all easy. एक छोटी सी बच्ची को ढोल सिखाने के लिए ही कोई राजी नहीं था. No one was ready to teach a girl, so everyone was taking it in a way कि maybe it's a joke, or they were not taking me seriously. It was like अच्छा ha ha ha. So that was the mindset of people back then, and made a long search for someone who could actually teach me the art of playing dhol, and it was a long seemingly unending search for a coach who could teach me. But then at the end I was lucky enough to find my Ustad ji, Sardar Kartar Singh ji, who is from Chandigarh itself. So he was the only one who took me seriously that yes, I will teach this girl, because he himself had 5 daughters. So being a father of 5 daughters, he had this thing in his mind that what if my own daughter wanted to do something in her life, and what if like I teach her and make her one of my own daughters and let her pursue her dreams. Traditionally इसमें दोनों sides पे चमड़ा use होता है, and it is wooden, so it weighs around 7 to 8 kgs, which is a big traditional drum. And to anyone who's like looking कि हाँ ठीक है कितनी बड़ी बात है, but then एक होर कहावत है ढोल दे नाल जुड़ी कि गल ते ढोल वजाना पैंदा है, ते जदों गल पैंदा है ढोल उदों ही पता लगदा है कि कितना भारी है, क्योंकि so lifting it up might not feel that bad, but then playing it with that energy and lifting it all together is very difficult. So I think according to me, like 1 hour of ढोल practice is equivalent to 2 hours of upper body gym. So I'm very happy I'm trained that way. My practice sessions almost look like in the beginning it was very difficult for me to carry it around the neck. So as I told, मेरे उस्ताद जी ने मुझे नीचे एक शीट के ऊपर एक साइड उस्ताद जी खुद बैठे बीच में ढोल, एंड द अदर साइड आई वाज सिटिंग. सो वी स्टार्टेड दैट वे, and as I build my stamina, because stamina was very important in that, so I built my stamina. So I then used to the next level was putting it on the chair and then playing, not really carrying it around the neck, just standing and then playing. And then I increased my stamina, and then I reached this stage when I could actually put it around my neck, around on my shoulders, and then play it. So that was in the starting it was like 5 minutes and I was done. बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. It was that difficult, but then I built my stamina. My practice sessions in summer, so I was a student. तो मुझे ज़्यादा स्कूल से टाइम नहीं मिलता था. सो यूजुअली इन समर ब्रेक्स और विंटर ब्रेक्स मेरे उस्ताद जी ज़्यादा टाइम लगाते थे ढोल के साथ मेरे पे. तो हम यूजुअली 2 बजे या 3 बजे दोपहर को समर वेकेशंस में जब बहुत गर्मी होती थी, उस्ताद जी मुझे कोई भी लोकल पार्क जहाँ पर लोगों को आवाज़ डिस्टर्ब ना करे, बिकॉज दैट वाज आल्सो अ वेरी बिग इशू, तो हम वहाँ पर जाते थे. सो आई यूज्ड टू वॉक एंड देन प्ले ढोल, पूरी फील्ड के गोल गोल चक्कर लगाने, 5 राउंड्स ऑल टुगेदर, और 1 सेकंड भी नहीं रुकना. माय उस्ताद जी वाज वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट, ही नेवर थॉट कि भाई लड़की है तो रहम कर लो. सो वो ऐसे ही करते थे कि कोई बात नहीं, यू हैव टू डू इट, मुंडिया वांगू बजाओ, और तेज बजाओ. सो ही ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू बूस्ट मी दैट वे, एंड आई बिल्ट माय स्टैमिना to the point कि now I can play it regularly for quite a long time. But practice sessions भी easy नहीं रहे हैं बिल्कुल भी. बजाना ढोल, उंगलियों पे छाले हो जाने बहुत बुरी तरह, कभी कभी छालों से खून भी आने लग जाना. But then उस्ताद जी all together again never allowed me to stop. So I've gone through all those phases. I've had a finger fracture once, and my doctor told me to not at all do anything with this hand. But then also I tried to take care of it, and then I was back again. It was a very difficult phase of my life, and but then I knew my love towards this instrument, and I knew this was something I really wanted to pursue, because जब मैंने स्टेजेस पे जाके परफॉर्म करना शुरू किया, इनिशियली लोग शॉक होते थे, इनिशियली लोग मिक्स्ड रिस्पॉन्सेज देते थे. दे डिडंट न्यू हाउ टू रिस्पॉन्ड सीइंग अ गर्ल प्लेइंग ढोल. बट एज आई स्टार्टेड like doing it regularly and appearing more on stages with my dhol, I thought that the mindset of the people was changing, and they were actually accepting the fact that एक लड़की भी ढोल बजा सकती है, and that was a big achievement for me altogether. मुझे लग रहा था कि yes, maybe even if 5 people are watching me and appreciate me for doing this, then I've done my job very well, because that's how you make a change in the society. Why do we have to stick to these thoughts कि ये ऐसे हो सकता है और ऐसे नहीं हो सकता है? लड़कियाँ क्यों नहीं ढोल बजा सकती हैं? I know it's hard, but that doesn't stop us from doing that. So एक बैरियर जब मुझे दिख रहा था कि ये ब्रेक हो रहा है, तो हर एक दिन मुझे लग रहा था कि मेरे शोल्डर्स पे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इंक्रीज हो रही है to reach out more and more people and to spread this messages that yes, even girls can come and do what they want. So I then thought कि अगर मुझे ये barriers आ रहे हैं of physical strength, of I'm tired, sometimes there were days I was like no, I don't want to do it now. But then I used to think no, this is not my hobby now. This is a message, a social message which I have to carry, and I cannot step back now. People are looking up on me, so I have to deliver it to them. I cannot answer this question, but then I'm happy enough that people recognize my work. A thing which started as my love and my small choti si hobby कि हाँ चलो let's try this, I like this, let's do this, and I started seeing it get bigger and bigger and bigger. People started connecting with me. Small छोटी सी stage से जहाँ पर maybe 100 people were audience, so going to an international platform like TEDx was a big deal to me, because spreading this message, being from India, representing my Punjabi culture on an international platform and representing Dhol was a big thing. What was an dream come true. So I'll share a very small, quick, sweet incident which I'll never forget. So I was doing this performance, and after the performance, as usual, so many people come, meet, and talk. So there was this lady who came, and she was talking to me, and she started crying. So I asked her that why are you crying, and she hugged me, and I was like, what happened? So she said कि मेरी बेटी भी dance करना चाहती थी, and I used to stop her to pursue what she wanted to pursue. But आज मैं घर जाके उसको allow करूँगी to pursue what she wants to do. So that moment I was like, yes, this one person, I've made a difference in the life of this one person, and it's a very big thing. So the title, The Dhol Girl, जिससे मुझे लोग जानते हैं. So what happens is like जहांगीर सिंह है ना कि एक नया कंसेप्ट आया कि एक लड़की ढोल बजाती है, तो लोगों को इनिशियली मेरा नाम तो याद रहता नहीं था. सो वो ढोल वाली लड़की, ओ यू नो दैट ढोल गर्ल. So all together so many people talking about a girl who plays dhol, and eventually everyone, no one calls me by my name, and everyone's like the Dhol Girl. So that's how I got my name, the Dhol Girl, and that's how I'm popularly known among people. Never think that you can't do this. You've got this, okay? So you just have to make the right step, one step forward, one day at a time, and anyone can achieve anything. You just have to trust yourself. Never think of what people around you are going to say, because eventually when you do it, everyone's going to join you in, and जो लोग pull back करते हैं वो लोग ही आपका appreciate करेंगे, and आपके नाम से आपको जानेंगे कि yes, I know this person. So trust yourself, start working on your dreams, and you have a long way to go. So I hope you all enjoyed listening to my story. So please give a thumbs up to Sky Shot and keep supporting them. And ta-da!